you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one?
I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold.